this is from Amazon. I'm gonna post the link down below. Let's get started.
So are you having a candy floss?
Does it look like I'm not gonna have one?
I can do multicolor, one color, or normal. I can do red, I can do blue raspberry, grape, cherry or normal. But aren't the sticks like really cute?
They're adorable. These are cute too, yes.
I prefer these. They actually,
are these like straws?
They stick better to the cone, that's for sure.
How many?
What? 30 maybe?
So it's just like paper?
You can look, it says you can make it with hard candy. They say if you put in 2 hard candies to make it into cotton candy. Ready?
You can see it in the air.
Sometimes, yeah, it depends. Depends how you pick it up, how you floss
Oh, look,
it.
I could just get this one. Wow, look at that. Thank you. Yum.
Should I try it with this thing?
Why not?
Worst case scenario, fly
So you're
out.
putting the candy?
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Give me a stick.
Why?
Because it's like instant.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's not as consistent as sugar. But it still works, which is kind of cool.
Does it make sense?
Yeah, okay. Let's do him a bigger one. Turn it on when you're ready. No, you're making it, so you gotta be ready. You're losing it. That's it. Done.
Let's see if he's gonna say yes.
Stylish.
Are you gonna say yes?
Hi.
It's my first one.
It's her first ever one she made.
My sister made cotton candy. Show it to the people. My sister's first cotton candy.
Oh my gosh!
My wife bought a candy.
Oh, there it is.
Well, I can't. I'm in the middle of a game.
Oh,
So
I'm sorry. Do you want it?
I mean, I want it, but I can't eat it in the middle of a game.
Let's see if I can find some ready for it.
There's only 5 people left.
Oh.
Oh.
Egg him on. So you can do it.
You can do it.
Okay, that guy's up there, but he's not in the zone. He can try to snipe me all he wants. I mean, I didn't mind like a. I wouldn't have been opposed to like getting a bite. Alright, that guy has to leave from there. Did they leave already?
So nice and fluffy.
Do you want some motivation?
Motivation, yes.
Look, this is how big it is if you get a kid.
Oh no.
Oh, it seems like this side
I
is
get the
falling,
jump
so
over
let
there.
me help out.
Yes, I know. There's somebody there. So it's gonna be. I think he has to be completely off the hill there.